Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow-maker. Today I'm going to show you how to simply make this beautiful swag or centerpiece that would be perfect for a winter wedding, holiday decor, or pretty much any formal occasion throughout the year. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I've cut my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to fold it in half and just lay it down into my Bowdabra and just tuck the ends underneath. And then I'm going to take these beautiful Catherine's Collections picks and I'm just going to lay them in here and lay this one going this way. Then I have our Bowdabra paint splatter ribbon, and I'm just going to basically do my fold and twist bow. So I have the right side of the ribbon here. I'm going to twist it and put it down into the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to fold it back, twist it, and put it into the Bowdabra. So this is just so simple to make. Twist it, put it into the Bowdabra. What I love about this is you could use any picks you want. This makes a beautiful centerpiece if you were going to add candles to it. And there's just so many ways that you could use this swag. So now I'm going to take my other ribbon. This is a 1.5 inch ribbon, and I'm going to just fold it and twist. We're just going to fold it back and forth and fold it and twist. And again, like any of our bows where you have one, which we would normally call the wrong side of the ribbon or the right side of the ribbon, twist it so that way the wrong side of the ribbon is always on the inside of the loop. You just fold this back and forth, fold and twist. And also I'd love to ask you guys, if you enjoy our Bowdabra videos, please like us and comment below what kind of videos you'd like us to create. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And the materials list are always listed in the YouTube description. I'm going to scrunch this down, pull this up here, pull this through my slip knot, and I'm going to just hold my bow down, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, so that way when I pull it out, I don't even have to struggle with my bow. So I'm just going to take this, bring this around to the back, and I'm going to tie a knot. And I might put this onto a wreath or something else, so I'm just going to leave a little Bowdabra bow wire there. And all I'm doing here, and this is what's nice about wired ribbon, is it's so super simple to shape. So we're just going to shape this all out here and take this and shape that, kind of pull this up here, shape it, pull my loops around, and just keep like trying to make my loops so that they're all around the center. And then you have this absolutely super simple but gorgeous centerpiece. So please like us on Facebook and follow us, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.